Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Ngong, Kibiko, exactly 900 meters from the tarmac and exactly 3 kilometers from Ngong town. Next to me is a 3-bedroom, all-en-suite bungalow with a print area of 165 square meters. This bungalow is built on a 50 by 100 lot and the price is 12 million. As you can all see, this bungalow is very beautiful and the greenery is very welcoming. But before I show you the car parking and the front yard, I want us to address this roofing. I know most of the critics will say that this roofing is horrible, but I think it's functional and very standard. On the opposite side, you can see that this home comes with a 2-car parking and the space is bigger for more than 2 cars. Next to it, you have the front yard that extends to the back side of the bungalow. This front yard comes with this bench that can be used by your whole family to enjoy the morning sunshine. Or you can sit here, set some drinks, and enjoy your success. This gadget has been designed to calm your nerves. But I think my nerves are very calm because it freaks me out. Let's get inside. Wow, nice. I like this living room. Look at the attention to details. The craftsmanship of these gypsum ceilings and the amount of light that you are getting from these huge windows. It's very welcoming. I like it that the developer of this unit has addressed an issue that has been a problem in so many bungalows. You see, he has set this wall and this wall to act as the focal point of this unit. So it means that you can do your electronics either here or here. Next to this living room, you have the dining area of this home. But before we get there, that exit leads to the bedroom area. But the bedrooms of this home can be accessed through 2 doors. The other door is in the kitchen. This dining area is of a standard size, but it's big enough to fit a family of 6 to 8 people. The dining area comes with a vanity setup that comes with several steps to do your detergents. Next to the dining area, you have the kitchen of this home, but you have this countertop that separates the kitchen from the dining area. Before we get to the kitchen, just have a look at this cladding. It's very well done and it calms your nerves. This kitchen comes with dark granite countertops all over, and behind me you have the sink area. This kitchen comes with a double sink that comes with a tilting faucet. This kitchen comes with upper cabinets. The lower cabinets are here. Behind me you have this space that has been set aside for your cooking stove, and as you can see, it comes with these hangers for your hangable utensils. The refrigerator of this home can be kept in 2 places. You can keep it here or you can keep it in the pantry. Let me show you the pantry. This is one of the biggest pantries that you have seen in a while. And as you can see, it comes with the 2 sockets I told you about for the refrigerator. This space is big enough for all your dry foods. From here, I'll take you to the laundry area and the kitchen garden. The kitchen balcony doubles as the laundry area. And this is evident because of these 2 sockets that are here for your washer and dryer. On this opposite side, this pathway leads to the clotheslines area and the employee quarters. But before we get to the employee quarters, this home comes with an external toilet. As you can see, the external toilet is big enough for all your guests. Before we get into the employee quarters, you have this tower that has been made for your water tanks. Right now, this tower can hold up to 10,000 liters of water. This is the door to the employee quarters, but I'm not going to take you inside today because it is being used as the store. Let's get back inside. From the laundry area into the kitchen, this door leads to the bedroom area. But as I told you, these bedrooms can be accessed through 2 doors. The other door is in the living room, and we are going to use that. Here, we are at the center of this bungalow. On my right hand side, you have the first bedroom. The second bedroom is at the center, and the primary bedroom is on my right hand side. Let's start with the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, and I believe it's big enough for your small kids. This bedroom comes with an L-shaped floor-to-ceiling closet that is sufficient enough for all your small kids. On my left-hand side, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. The bathroom is very big and it comes with a wash basin and a water closet. The showering area is behind me. Let's head to the second bedroom. From the first bedroom, the second bedroom is here. But before we get to the second bedroom, you have the common toilet. The common washroom is just similar to the bathroom that I showed you in the first bedroom. And it comes with its vanity setup on my left hand side. Let's see the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom. And it comes with a slightly bigger closet and a slightly bigger bathroom. The closet is big enough for all your clothes and it comes with 4 drawers on the other side. From my observation, I think that this bedroom has been set aside for the bigger kids. Let's see the bathroom. This bathroom comes with similar amenities to the ones that we found in the first bedroom's bathroom. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, the primary bedroom has been secluded on this corner of the bungalow. Let's see. The primary bedroom is the biggest of all the bedrooms and it comes with a closet that covers the length of this wall. This closet comes with 4 drawers here, these compartments for your foldable and hangable clothes, and on the far end you have your dresser. The dresser comes with these 2 drawers for your makeup, these compartments for your jewelries, and on my right hand side, this bedroom comes with a corner window. As you can see, this window is able to bring maximum natural light to this bedroom during the day. On my far left, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. This side of the bathroom has been set aside for your showering, and as you can see, it comes with all your showering amenities. On the opposite side, the bathroom comes with a water closet, and on my far right, you have your vanity setup. That's all for this bedroom. That's all for today, and I hope you have enjoyed the tour. If you'd like to purchase this house, our contacts are in the first comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!